Okay, if you're having trouble with your pipes knocking, for me it was my hot and my cold pipes knocking. Couldn't figure it out. I changed the kitchen tap. I changed my shut off. Still the same problem. Drained all the lines. That's usually the first step. Drain all the lines in the house, starting from the top to the bottom, and drained all the water. Still got knocking pipes, and the fix was so much more simpler than all the stuff I was doing. And I knew it, and I don't know why I didn't bother to check the simplest thing first. And the simplest thing, of course, was the support for your pipes. These half pipe clamps are important because when you turn your water on and there's a pressure in the line, and so when you shut it off, that pressure obviously stops and it causes the pipes to shudder. And if there's none of these straps, then the pipes just shake all over the place. So you can see that old one, that old rusty one there broke off. A couple of them broke off down the line. And it seemed like it was my hot and cold causing the problem, but actually it was my cold hitting my hot pipe. And even when I turned my hot on and off, and the hot just shut a little bit, because it was contacting the cold pipe, it just made it look like both were an issue, but it was just the cold pipe. Okay, so here's the product. You can get it from anyone. This one cost me $4 for the pack. Half pipe clamp. You can see the little clamp there. All right, just hammer is all you need. There's already a set nail in there, and you're good to go. So I really hope this helps you. This is, after draining the lines in your house first, make sure there's air chambers in your lines and everything. Drain your line in your house first, and then try that route. And then if that doesn't work, then search for the pipe support. And then if that doesn't work, then maybe start looking at some of your shutoffs and see if they're faulty and whatnot. Okay? Hope this helps and saves you a lot of time and money. Good luck.